Purifier have many types for different purpose. So how to choose a suitable oil purifier? It depends on 2 points. One is filter medium. The oil is hydraulic oil, design oil, transformer oil, or topping oil. The second is filtration purpose. You want to remove water or just remove impurities from oil, or you want to get bright oil. So today we take hydraulic oil as example to help you to choose a suitable oil purifier. We take hydraulic oil as sample. If only simple remove impurities and filtering, these two types of oil filter machine is good choice. If high viscosity in the oil, this high viscosity oil filtering machine with heating device is a better choice. Except removing impurities from the oil, but high water content in the oil. This cleansing dehydration oil purifier is the best choice. So now, do you know how to choose a better oil filter machine for you?